Why oats are good for your heart. What if one simple breakfast could support your heart health every single day? That food might already be sitting in your kitchen. Oats. Oats are more than just an easy breakfast. They contain a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has been studied for its ability to help lower LDL, often called bad cholesterol. And keeping LDL cholesterol at healthy levels is important because high cholesterol can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, how do oats actually help? First, let's talk about soluble fiber. When you eat oats, beta-glucan mixes with water in your digestive system and forms a gel-like substance. This can affect how your body handles bile acids and cholesterol, helping more cholesterol leave the body instead of remaining in circulation. Research reviews have found that consuming enough oat beta-glucan can reduce total and LDL cholesterol. And that's one of the biggest reasons oats are considered a heart-friendly food. But there's more. Oats are also a whole grain, and diets that contain more whole grains and dietary fiber are associated with better cardiovascular health. Fiber can also help you feel fuller for longer, which may support healthier weight management, another important part of protecting your heart. Now, here's something important. Not all oat-based breakfasts are equally healthy. A bowl of plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats can be a great choice. But adding lots of sugar, syrup, highly processed toppings, or oversized portions can turn a healthy breakfast into a much less nutritious meal. Instead, try topping your oats with berries, nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit. You can also add cinnamon for flavor without relying heavily on added sugar. And remember, you don't need to eat oats in a complicated way. A simple bowl of oatmeal made with milk or an unsweetened alternative, topped with berries and a small handful of nuts, can be a nutritious start to the day. Most importantly, oats are not a magic cure for heart disease. Heart health depends on your overall diet, physical activity, blood pressure, cholesterol, sleep, and other lifestyle factors. But adding high-fiber foods like oats to an overall healthy diet can be a smart step toward better cardiovascular health. So next time you're deciding what to have for breakfast, don't underestimate that simple bowl of oats. It may be affordable, filling, easy to prepare, and a genuinely heart-friendly choice. Small food choices, repeated consistently, can make a big difference over time.